I'm recording, so whenever you guys are ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. You know, Jay, we've been in business over 51 years, and it still amazes me that people don't realize that we have a body shop, that we also do retail details. It drives me nuts.
Well, Scott, how do we get the word out?
You have any ideas, any specials for the month of May?
Well, Mother's Day's coming up.
Mm-hmm.
What if we offered a deal for May, like a spring cleanup type of thing? You know, Mom's been stuck in the cars with the kids all winter long. I'm sure there's some of them goldfish underneath the car seats and stuff. Maybe we could get those cleaned up. And maybe we could offer up a deal like maybe $150 starting and get the word out that we have a detail.
We usually charge $175. You want to knock $25 off
Yeah,
for
why
the
not?
month of May?
It's your money, Scott. You always say if you don't see us, we can't take your money. So I mean,
Save your money. Let's give it a shot. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right.